All right, how are we doing today? Welcome to my channel. This channel is educational and we look at great theories, concepts, and discoveries that you might not be familiar with because they've been suppressed or they're otherwise difficult to access. And this is a segment we have called the Your Blind Side. And on your blind side, we take up the six of the info warrior, the diggers, anons, truthers out there who are attending their rabbit holes and maybe have a warning or two or a caution or two for them about upcoming events. And I uh, maybe don't have too much to offer here, but you know, the thing to look out for is in the sky. A bird, a plane, we don't know. Um, Project Bluebeam. Um, that's this war we're having, some kind of cover for something like uh, some type of operation that has to do with some kind of technology that we don't know anything about, or um, some type of communications we don't know anything about. And they're probably going to start hitting us with all kinds of craziness. And again, uh, the key is just to keep your head and really continue to red pill yourself. Uh, Keep up your workouts and your meditations and uh, maybe take a supervised, disciplined psychedelic trip. Uh, and just, keep yourself um, ready. There's going to be opportunities for you to, you know, stabilize other people who may be, and you can see all that coming right now with all of the craziness on the right, uh, just in terms of people bowing out, saying I quit, giving up, um, storming off because they're not getting their way. And I can understand, um, but usually that has to do with kind of not kind of recognizing the immensity of the events that are occurring and seeing this as being like business as usual, or just another 4 year presidency. And I think you know it does merit more than that. We can see that there's an info war going on. It's a global civil war, and you know, uh, commander-in-chief has um, some type of equity built up, um, where it has to be acknowledged that, he has better intel than you do, and probably, uh, you know, I won't say he shouldn't be second guessed or probed into, but just do it with a respectful, uh, you know, way, in terms of, you don't need to just storm off. Just state your issues, and um, you know, wait till they get answered. Um, okay, another thing that you have to look forward to is, the disintegration of the right. It actually looks like the right might get disintegrated before the left does. They're both they're both going down. Um, but it looks like the right is being set up to, um, we're talking about the neocon right, and that they're being set up to go with BB and, um, off on their kind of, lone quest to uh, liberate the wretched desert. And, I think people who aren't, desperate for war can see that, um, BB's been kind of painted into a corner. His MO is, that we got to keep fighting, because if he doesn't keep fighting, I mean, then nobody will fight back, and then and then nobody will commit atrocities that is his whole raison d'etre. So, um, he can't make peace, and the neocons can't either. Now, the question is, will they get called out and caught for that? Um, we have to watch it go down, but I think so. I think their time is coming here, and they might even get caught from some of the folks on the left, uh, who are now, kind of enlisted on board with a more, uh, anti-Israel point of view, and, um, again, the commander in chief is throwing himself under the bus, at least briefly, so, to make a point, and to, you know expose certain things for us to see, and, we'll see where it goes. But it's all pretty interesting. Still, it's not worth 100% of your attention. In my opinion, this is all still kind of circling the drain, and things are, really kind of over, but we're being subjected to reenactments and dramatizations, and, we really need to focus on our own red pilling, our belief systems in particular, and to shore those up, make sure that they actually make sense and they have evidence behind them, which they don't. In which case we need to kind of, I think, reorient along the lines of deism, the belief in one God who is good, who has endowed humans with higher mental and spiritual faculties that enable us to understand God directly, uh, without intermediaries, without Bibles or priests or pastors or popes, but direct understanding of God. And that is the common denominator that we need to move forward upon. Okay, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to watch your blind side.